Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to see how we can create walls. Okay, so from this create tab, okay, we'll move into the geometry one, and then the drop down menu. We are going to select this time AEC extended. Okay, this is having option after the Windows AEC extended. I'll click this. Then we are having three object types: foliage, railing, and wall. At this time, we are going to create the wall. If I click wall, it will have a bunch of options here. That is what it would be width, what its height would be. Okay, so for this moment, let's put the width to be zero point 0.2 and give it a height of, let's say, 3 meter. Okay, then it is asking about justification, that if you are going to create the wall, you are going to draw a straight line. So, what will be the justification of the wall? It will be left to that line, or it will be center to that line, or it will be constructed right to that line. So wherever your cursor is going to be, wherever your straight line is going to be, the wall is going to get constructed as per these options. If I click left, it will be drawn left to it. If I click center, it will be made center to it. For this time, I'll select center and I go to screen, and I'll click and drag my cursor to the end. Okay, then the command is still active. I can go here and I can zoom out. I can go there, here, and I can go anywhere. Okay, if I right click, the command will close. Okay, so you can see, if I go to this top view, you can see I'm having a wall here. Okay, so if you want to edit its property, you can go to this modify tab and you can again edit all these things. Okay, so we will select it and delete it. I'll click Alt W to make the perspective full. Okay, now we'll again create the wall. I'll create wall, can go here and there. Let's say by mistake we forget to specify the justification. Okay, by so there is no problem in that. We can select that wall and now we can click right, left, center. Okay, we can also create the justification from here. Now uh, we can again delete it. We are going to create a new wall also from here with the new method by the keyboard entry method. In the keyboard entry method, we are having x and y points. X and y are the axes, that is the coordinates of x and y axis. Let's say my wall start from the origin, that is 0 comma 0. So I'll add a point. It will add a point, that is 0 comma 0. The wall will start from here, and we will give it width and height according to our choice. We will give the justification, then we will add another point. This point will be the ending of that wall. For example, let's give it at x-axis 10 meter, and at y let's keep it 0. Now we'll click add point. It will create the wall at that point. Now if you want to continue this point in the y direction, then we can, let's say, write x10 and y10. I'll click add point. Okay, then let's say we want to come onto the y-axis, we want to make a square, so we'll come onto 0 comma 10 and we'll click at point. Now if we want to close it, there is an option of closing it. Don't finish it. Finishing will finish this command. Okay, so we'll click close, so it will close that box. So depending on the height and the width we have given, the wall will get constructed. Okay, so this is the simplest way with which we can create walls. Okay, sorry. There is another option, that is pick spline. This will be done when you are having a 2D line, or when you import a drawing from AutoCAD. So at that time you can create wall very efficiently from this thing. Okay, for example, I go to the shape. I will explain in the upcoming lecture how we can create this lines and circle. For this time I'm just showing you. So we'll click this button and we'll go to line. Okay, or let's say we take a rectangle, and now I draw a rectangle here. Okay, now we go again to our command, that is AEC extended, and I'll go to wall, and by giving its width and height, I'll go to keyboard entry, then I'll click pick spline. I'll click it, and we move on to this spline, and I'll click this line, and the wall will be constructed automatically according to that line. So it will be quite easy. If you have a center line plan of a wall made in the AutoCAD, you can import it here and you can simply create the walls around it. Okay, and floor is quite simple. I have told you it was the standard primitive, the plane you can create the plane and you can move it here and there. You can go to standard, and there we are having a plane. So you can do it simply. You just move it here and there, and you can place it anywhere else. So this was all about the wall in this lecture. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestion, please do comment and please subscribe.